Welcome to Lloyd Institute of Management and Technology, our state-of-the-art pharmacy campus where excellence in education meets modern infrastructure. And join with us on a virtual tour. Our spacious and technology-enabled classrooms foster interactive learning and promote engagement and collaboration. We take great pride in our cutting-edge pharmacy labs with the sophisticated analytical instruments as well as drug designing equipped softwares where students gain hands-on experience and training. Elevate your personality and master essential behavioral skills through interactive discussions in our conference and training room. Our dedicated yoga room provides a serene and peaceful environment for students and faculties. Unleash your competitive spirit in our playgrounds and fitness areas. Outdoor sports such as badminton, volleyball, etc. and gym training for an overall personality development exclusively designed for our Lloydians. Stocked with a vast collection of books, journals, and online resources, our library serves as a hub of research and academic excellence. Immerse yourself in grandeur at our leading-edge auditorium. Witness captivating events, seminars, and conferences that ignite innovations and inspire greatness. Dive next to our cafeteria for leisure time and embark on an extraordinary journey through transforming your visionary ideas into thriving ventures in our e-garage and incubation cell. Join us at Lloyd Institute of Management and Technology, where innovation takes root, minds are ignited, and success becomes tangible.